Hover effects on mobile don't have to suck. Look at this transition. I'm showing you the exact CSS fix to make your interactive UI work perfectly on every screen. First, set your title to Mobile Hover Fix in the head. Inside the body, create a card div to hold your content. Drop in your Unsplash image, then add a text div for the Mountain View overlay. Finally, link your CSS style sheet so we can start the styling. HTML is done. Now for the styling. We'll start by centering everything using Flexbox on the body, setting the min height to 100 VH, and giving it a clean white background. For the card, we're setting a fixed width and height with a nice border radius. We'll use overflow, hidden so our image stays inside the container, and add a softbox shadow for depth. Make sure your image has a width and height of 100% with object fit, cover to prevent stretching. We're also adding a 0.3 second transition here for that smooth zoom effect. Now let's style the text overlay. We'll position it absolutely in the center using the top, left, and transform trick. Give it a dark, semi-transparent background and a white border to make it pop. We're setting the initial opacity to 0 and adding pointer events, none, so it doesn't block our clicks. Here's where the magic happens. On Desktop Hover, we scale the image to 1.1 and bring the text opacity to 1. But to fix the sticky mobile bug, we duplicate those styles for the active state. This ensures that on a touchscreen, the animation triggers immediately on tap and resets correctly, giving your users a perfect, native-feeling interaction. And that's it, clean, responsive hover effects with pure CSS. That's how you fix mobile hover. If this helped your project, hit that subscribe button for more CSS tricks and web dev tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.